I'll show you the easiest way to schedule a job and automate a workload in Databricks. Whether you're a data analyst or engineer, automating your workflows can save you significant time and effort, allowing you to focus on more strategic tasks. Let's dive right in and explore how you can efficiently schedule and automate your tasks using Databricks. First, you'll need to navigate to the Job Details panel. This is where all the magic happens. On the right side, you'll find an option to add a trigger. A trigger is an essential part of automating your workload because it determines when and how your job will run. Go ahead and click on Add Trigger to get started. Once you've clicked Add Trigger, you'll need to choose a trigger type. Databricks offers two primary types of triggers, and your choice will depend on how you want your job to be initiated. The first option is Scheduled. This is ideal if you want your job to run at a specific time or on a recurring basis. For instance, you might want it to run daily at 8 in the morning. This option is incredibly useful for routine data processing tasks that need to happen at consistent intervals. It ensures that your data is up to date without requiring manual intervention. The second option is File Arrival. This trigger automatically starts the job whenever a new file lands in a specific volume or location within your workspace. This is particularly useful if your workflows are dependent on external data sources or if you're working with real-time data feeds. By using the File Arrival trigger, you can ensure that your job runs only when new data is available, thereby optimizing your resource usage and reducing unnecessary processing. After you've selected your preferred trigger type, the next step is to click Save. This action will save your trigger settings and prepare your job for automation. But there's one more crucial step you don't want to miss. You need to ensure that the trigger is toggled to active. This toggle is what actually enables the trigger, allowing your job to run as scheduled or upon the specified event. If the trigger isn't active, your job won't run, which could disrupt your data processing activities. Automating tasks in Databricks not only boosts efficiency, but also enhances reliability by reducing the potential for human error. It's a powerful way to streamline your operations, and once you've set up your triggers, you can sit back and let Databricks handle the rest. Remember, the key to successful automation is selecting the right trigger based on your needs. Whether you choose a scheduled trigger for regular updates or a file arrival trigger for event-driven processing, each has its unique advantages depending on your workflow requirements. By following these simple steps, you're now set to leverage the full power of Databricks automation. So go ahead, apply these steps, and watch your productivity soar as Databricks takes care of your scheduling and workload automation. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.